So for quarter number 3, module 4, week 4, this is about solving problems involving parallelograms, trapezoids, and then kites. So meron tayong tagi-isang example for parallelograms, trapezoids, and then kites. So for parallelograms, we have example number 1. Given quadrilateral wish, or WISH, is a parallelogram, which means meron tayong two pairs na parallel sides. And then if angle W is equal to x plus 15 and angle S is equal to 2x plus 5, what is the value of angle W o yung measure ng angle W? So first thing na gagawin natin is construct muna natin yung figure. So let's say we have this figure. So this is an example of parallelograms. Meron tayong two pairs of parallel sides, and then let's call this angle W, I, S, and then H. Now based on sa mga properties ng parallelogram, alam natin na yung opposite sides are congruent. Mga pairs natin congruent, yung mga opposite angles are congruent. So yung angle W is equal to x plus 15, and then yung angle S measures 2x plus 5. Now, yung gusto natin alamin dito is yung actual measurement of angle W. But first, we have to find out ano yung value ng x. So, alam natin yung angle W and angle S are congruent. Ibig sabihin, equal sila ng congruent para sila ng measure. So, we all know na angle W is equal or congruent to angle S. So, parehas dapat sila ng sukat o parehas sila ng sukat. And then, angle W is x plus 15. And then, yung angle S, which is 2x plus 5. Now, yung gagawin natin dyan is isa-solve muna natin yung value ng x o yung variable natin. So, ang gagawin natin, pagsasamahin natin sa isang side yung mga terms na may x, and then sa isang side yung mga terms na walang x o yung mga constant. Now, I suggest na pag nagta-transpose tayo, kasi mamimili ka na ita-transpose mo dyan, it's either yung x o yung 2x. Now, I suggest na yung i-transpose mo yung variable na may mas mababang numerical coefficient. So kapag hindi nakalagay, kung walang nakalagay na number na kasama ng x, ibig sabihin this is a 1. Inuumit lang natin yung 1. So, mamimili ka between 1 and 2. Ang pinapropose kong mas madaling ilipat o mas simple ilipat is yung variable na may mababang numerical coefficient. Well, in this case, 2x and then this is 1x. Yung x na lang yung ilipat mo sa kabila instead of 2. So yung x ina-transpose mo sa kabila, and then yung positive 5 siya yung ina-transpose mo dito sa may kaliwa. So you'll have yung x ina-transpose mo dito sa kanan, and then yung 5 yung ina-transpose mo sa kaliwa. So pag nagka-transpose, nagpapalit ka ng sign. So yung x dito, pag nilipat mo magiging negative x. Yung positive 5, pag nilipat mo sa kabila, magiging negative 5. So, yung mga hindi mo ililipat, sulat mo muna. So, yung 15 tsaka 2x magla-remain. Yung x, pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging negative x. Yung positive 5, pag nilipat mo sa kabila, transpose mo sa kabilang side, magiging negative 5. So, negative 5 plus 15, and then 2x minus x. Or, pwede mo din isulat ng 15 minus 5, pwede din yan. Kasi negative pa din yung 5. And then you simplify, 15 minus 5, this is 10. 2x minus x. So alam naman natin na meron kang 1 dito. So magiging 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So i-omit natin yung 1, hindi na natin siya isusulat. So meron ka ng value for x, which is 10. So yung value ng x na yan, which is 10, isa-substitute ko dito. So yung x na yan, papalitan ko ng 10 and then I will simplify this. So ang mangyayari, you have m is equal to x plus 15. And then yung x, which is equal to 10, papalitan natin ng 10 plus 15. And then you simplify. Now you have 10 plus 15, which is 25. So yung measure ng W natin is 25. This is yung actual measurement niya is 25. Now, alam naman natin na yung W at S parehas sila ng sukat. So therefore, yung measurement ng angle S is also 25. So kung lalagyan natin ng solution, measure ng angle S is 2x plus 5. So yung x is equal to 10, so you have 2 times 10, 5. 2 times 10 is 25, 2 times 10 is 20 plus 5, which is 25. Parehas lang sila ng sukat. So that is example number 1 for parallelogram. So tatandaan lang natin sa parallelogram ano yung mga properties. Yung mga opposite angles, equal sila. So pwede mong i-equate yung mga equal angles. Yung opposite sides, congruent sila. O yung angle, yung line WI at saka line HS, parehas ng sukat. Yung line WHIS, parehas ng sukat. And then, itong consecutive angles natin, parehas sila, pag pinag-add mo yung mga consecutive angles natin, equal sila sa 180 or supplementary. So if this is 25, if this is 25, ilan yung dito? So kung 25 to, ilan yung dito sa taas? Well, dito sa may figure natin inaccurate kasi dapat mas malaki yung sukat dito sa baba kaysa doon sa taas kasi mas malaki yung opening. Next, we have example number 2 for trapezoids. Given quadrilateral MOST is an isosceles trapezoid with OS parallel to MT. And then segment ER is its median. If line MT is equal to 3x plus 2 and then line OS is equal to 2x plus 10, and then yung median natin is ER is equal to 14. How long is each base? So first thing na gagawin natin is again i-construct natin yung figure. So we have trapezoid. SD, and then yung median natin will be ER. So yung MT natin, yung MT is equal to 3x minus 2, and then yung OS natin is equal to 2x plus 10, and then ER is 14. Now, if you would still remember yung formula natin para makuha yung median, it's what you will do is you will add yung dalawang base and then i-divide mo sa 2 para makuha mo yung median natin o yung length ng median. So yung median is equal to base of 1 plus yung base of 2, or kahit magkabaliktad, basta ang gagawin natin i-add natin yung length ng base sa taas at base sa ilalim kasi i-divide natin sa 2. Makukuha na natin yung median, makukuha na natin yung measure dito sa gitna. So in this case, given naman yung value natin sa gitna. So what we will do is kukunin natin yung mga data na yan tapos ilalagay natin dito sa formula para makuha yung median. So alam natin yung median is equal to 14 Yung base of 1, let's say yung nasa taas is 2x plus 10. I-add down natin yan sa base dito sa ilalim, which is 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. And then lahat yan, i-divide natin sa 2. Yung base of 1, which is this one, yung base of 2, which is this one, i-divide natin sa 2. Ganyan. So next na gagawin natin is isi-simplify natin yung mga terms na nandun sa may numerator. I-combine natin yung mga like terms. So in this case, yung 2x at saka 3x na yung like terms, and then yung 2 at saka, yung 10 at saka yung negative 2. So 2x plus 3x, that is 5x. 10 minus 2, that is positive 8 over 2. Next na gagawin natin now is isi-simplify natin ngayon yung 14 at saka yung 2. I-cross multiply natin kasi gusto natin, ang goal natin dito is x lang yung matira dito sa may right side. So kailangan mawala yung 5, yung 8 at saka yung 2. So yung unang gagawin natin is alisin muna natin yung denominator sa ilalim by multiplying both sides by 2. So you have 2 times 14, 5x plus 8 over 2 times 2. So ba't i-multiply natin both sides by 2? Kasi pag mag-multiply ka ng 2 doon sa may right side, pwede mo lang i-cancel. So kung ano ginawa mo sa kanan, gagawin mo sa kaliwa. Kung nag-multiply ka ng 2 dito, mag-multiply ka din ng 2 sa kabila. So you have 5x plus 18 times 2 over 2. So makakancel lang yan. So ang matitira dito sa may right side will be 5x plus 8 na lang. So dito, 2 times 14, that is 28. Next. So anong gagawin natin ngayon dun sa may 8? Susunod na alisin natin ngayon is 8. So yung una, inalis natin yung denominator, and then yung constant, and then mamaya yung 5. So next is, alisin naman natin yung 8 dito sa may right side. So what we will do is, it's either i-transpose mo yung 8 sa kaliwa, tapos mag-simplify ka, or mag-minus ka na lang agad on both sides. So pwedeng 5x, yung 8, ita-transpose sa kabila, so magiging 28 minus 8. So, from positive 8, magiging negative 8. So, pag nilipat mo yung 8 sa may kabilang side ng equal sign, yung sign niya mapapalitan from positive, magiging negative. So, now you have 28 minus 8 is equal to 5x. Now, you simplify this, 28 minus 8, that is 25x. Next, yung susunod na aalisin natin will be yung 5. So, paano maalis yung 5? So, para maalis yung 5, what we will do is we will divide both sides by 5. So, yung 5x over 5, pwede mo i-cancel yung 5. So, dito naman sa my left side, i-divide mo lang yung 20 dito sa 5. 20 divided by 5, that is 4. So, yung value ng x natin is equal to 4. So, yung ginamit natin is yung formula para makuha yung median. So, ang ginawa natin is, inad lang natin yung base sa taas at yung base sa ilalim. So, ang ginawa ko is, kinumbine ko yung like terms. So, 2x plus 3x, that is 5x. 10 minus 2, that is positive 8. So, bakit positive? Susundan natin yung sign na mas mataas na number. So, in this case, 10 yung mas mataas na number. So, positive yung sign. So, positive yung sign natin. And then, di-divide natin sa 2. So, after kung combine yung mga like terms, next na gagawin ko is, kailangan maalis yung denominator na 2. So, para maalis yung denominator na 2, mag-multiply ako ng 2 on both sides. So, 2 dito sa kanan, 2 dito sa kaliwa. So, bakit 2? Para ma-cancel yung 2 na denominator. So, pagka-cancel, wala ka ng 2 dito sa denominator. Dito sa may kaliwa, i-multiply mo ito sa 14, so you have 28. Next na gagawin is, ita-transpose mo yung positive 8 dito sa kanan, dito sa may kaliwa. So pag tinranspose mo yung positive 8, magiging negative 8 na. And then you simplify 28 minus 8, you have 20. And then para maalis yung 5, mag-divide ka ng 5 on both sides. So 5 divided by 5, pwede mo i-cancel. 20 divided by 5, you have 4. So if x natin is equal to 4. So anong gagawin mo dun sa value ng x which is 4? So yung x which is equal to 4, ang gagawin natin ngayon dun sa value ng x is isa-substitute natin dito sa may equation natin sa mga bases. So yung x na yan, papalitan ko ng 4. So we have 2x plus 10, which is yung measure ng line OS, and then yung line MT is 3x minus 2. So sa OS is 2x plus 10. Yung x palitan natin ng 4, o substitute natin yung 4, and then 2 times 4, which is 8 plus 10. So 8 plus 10, that is 18. So yung OS natin is 18. Now, ano yung measure ng MT? Yung measure ng MT is 3x minus 2. So yung x na yun, papalitan natin ng 4. So we have 3, 4, 2. 3 times 4, that is 12 minus 2. And then 12 minus 2, that is 10. So your MT is 10. So kung titignan natin dito sa may figure, medyo yung mga figure natin inconsistent. Kasi yung measure ng OS is 18, yung measure ng MT is 10. Well, alam naman natin na mas sa may figure, obviously mas mahaba yung MT kaysa dun sa OS. Pero sa may solution natin, yung measurement ng OS is mahaba kaysa dun sa MT. So meron ng konting discrepancy sa figure natin o sa may figure na nasa may module. Pero same ko natin yung answer, ganyan na ganyan yung gagawin yun sa mga activities. So this is 18. Yeah. Example number 3 for an example para sa kites. So we have given quadrilateral LIKE is a kite with LI is congruent to IK, and then line segment LE is congruent to line segment KE. What is its area if one of the diagonal is 4 more than the other, and IE plus KL is equal to 16 inches? So first, gagawa muna tayo ng figure na kite para malabel natin yung mga parts. So we have and then we will label the vertices. This is M, this is I, this is K, this is E, and then line segment LI is congruent to IK, and then LE is congruent to KE. So ito, tsaka ito parehas ng sukat, this one and this one parehas ng sukat. And then, yung isang diagonal natin is mas mahaba ng 4 kaysa dun sa isa. So therefore, let's say, what is the area of one of the diagonals, if one of the diagonals is 4 more than the other. So mas mahaba daw ng 4 yung isang diagonal natin. So definitely, ito yung diagonal na mas mahaba. So this is x plus 4 if yung shorter diagonal, which is this one. Let's call this x. So yung maiksing diagonal, we will call it x, and then yung mas mahabang diagonal, we will call it x plus 4. Kasi sabi na dito, mas mahaba ng 4 yung isang diagonal. Obviously, yung mas mahabang diagonal, siya yung may additional na 4. And then, IE plus KL is equal to 16 inches. So, pag pinag-add down natin yung KL, which is x, and then yung IE, which is x plus 4, equal daw yun sa 16 inches. So, yung IE natin is x, yung IE natin is x plus 4, and then yung KL natin, which is KL, which is x. So, IE, which is x plus 4, and then plus KL, ito yung KL natin, which is x, is equal to 16 inches. Now, ang goal natin dito muna is, yung goal natin is, hahanapin natin yung area ng kite natin. So, if we could remember, ano yung formula para sa area ng kite? It is, you will multiply yung diagonal, tapos i-divide natin sa 2. So, yung half ng product ng diagonals, yun yung area ng kite. But first, alamin muna natin ano yung actual measurement ng mga diagonals by finding out ano yung measure ng x. Kasi pag nalaman na natin ano yung measure ng x, isa-substitute na lang natin dito sa mga x's. So first, sabi niya, pag pinag-add down natin yung mga diagonal, makukuha natin is 16. So yung sum natin will be 16. So yung IE, which is this one, the first diagonal natin, yung mahabang diagonal, yung IE is x plus 4. Yung KL, which is this one, KL, which is x. So we have x plus 4, and then plus x is equal to 16. So again, we just combine yung mga like terms. Wala na tayo. Ita-transpose na lang natin yung 4 mamaya sa kabila. So dito yung mga x's magkakasama na sa isang side. So x plus x, that is 2x, and then 16 plus 4. Now, pinag-add na natin yung dalawang x. Ang susunod na gagawin natin is ita-transpose natin yung positive 4 doon sa my right side. So now you have 2x is equal to 16. So pag i-transpose ka sa kabila, magpapalit ka ng sign. So 16 minus 4. So 2x is equal to 16 minus 4, that is 12. Next is let's solve for x. So paano matatanggal yung 2 na kasama ng x? We will divide both sides by 2 para ma-cancel. So now you have x is equal to 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So, meron na tayong value para dun sa variable na x natin. So, yung x na to pwede ko nang palitan ng 6. Yung x na to pwede ko nang palitan ng 6. Next, yung susunod na gagawin natin ngayon is ito-solve na natin ano yung mga length ng mga diagonals natin, ano yung actual length nila. So, you have yung diagonal KL, which is equal to x, and then the diagonal IE, which is equal to x plus 4. So KL is equal to x, so x natin is 6, so KL natin is 6. So meron na tayo isang length para sa diagonal. And then line segment IE is x plus 4. Yung x natin, palitan natin ng 6 plus 4. So yung IE natin is now equal to 10. So this is 6, tapos this is 10. So now we have KL, which is equal to 6, and then yung IE, which is equal to 10. Now, ano ulit yung formula natin para sa area ng isang kite? It is area ng kite is equal to d sub 1 times d sub 2 all over 2. Or basically, yung first diagonal times second diagonal divided by 2. So, kahit alin dyan sa dalawa yung gawin mong d sub 1 or d sub 2, okay lang. Kasi multiply mo din naman sila. So, ang gagawin natin is multiply natin yung diagonals natin and then i-divide natin sa 2. So first diagonal natin is yung KL, let's say this is 6 times yung second diagonal natin which is IE, which is equal to 10 divided by 2. So 6 times 2 that is 6 times 10 that is 60 divided by 2. And then 60 times 2 that is 30 inches square. So kung saan nang galing yung inches square, that is yung unit ng mga measurement natin. This is actually IN, this is IN kasi inches yung unit natin. So meron kang dalawang IN. Pag pinag-multiply mo yan, you have inches square. So basically ganyan na sinosolve yung area ng isang kite. So that is example number 3.